For a 4-H project, we've been growing our own vegetables here at home, and we've been using tubs. That way we don't have to worry about weeding, and we can keep everything organized. And here we have tomatoes. We planted way too many in this tub to begin with, so we pulled out some and replanted them in some little cups. And we're going to have to replant those when they get bigger. And here we've got some wildflowers growing. And here we have a lemon tree. When it gets bigger, it's going to have to get repotted. In here, we originally had green beans, but the squirrels ate all but one, so now we only have one green bean. But then we added on some broccoli, and the broccoli's growing good. And these are some marigolds up front. There's some more marigolds that we repotted because they were getting too big. The marigolds are supposed to keep the pests away. This is milkweed. We were wanting to draw some butterflies to our garden, so we decided to grow some milkweed. So we started this from seed. Got lots of cups in there, and you can see it started growing. We put this net over the top of it to keep the animals out. And it still gets sunlight and water through the mesh. Over here, we have spinach. And it's going to have to be spread apart some. Right now it's too close together. So we'll have to repot some of those. Up in the front we have some more marigolds. And here we've got green onions. We got a whole bunch of green onions. The smaller ones we grew from seeds. But if you see the larger ones, those are actually cuttings. We bought some green onions from the store and saved the bottoms and replanted the bottoms, and in just 2 days they grew that much. So that's a good way to grow things fast. Some things you can replant from kitchen scraps. There's some more marigolds. And we had more corn than that, but the animals got to the seeds, so now we only have one stalk of corn. But it's still hanging on. And here we've got pumpkins. The storms knocked them over. But we had too many planted in there to begin with too, so we had to repot some of the smaller ones. And once those get bigger, we'll have to put them in something bigger. Over here, we've got watermelon. And then we got some more watermelon that's growing up the tree. This one doesn't seem to be doing as good as the other one. But you can see a little bit of the flowering. And that's our at-home garden for our 4-H project. I hope some other kids will do this at home and show us what you've grown.